Despite fluctuations in the economy, online business continues to flourish, and digital products are on the rise. Meet Nadia. Nadia comes from literally doing nothing in business. But Nadia was able to make over $360,000 in sales last year selling digital products. And last year was, for most businesses, the worst year ever. Crazy, right? Nadia did it while still having her full-time 9-to-5 job. And Nadia says she eventually wants to quit her full-time 9-to-5 job. Nadia also has a young family. So 9-to-5 job, young family, and Nadia is crushing it online, selling digital products during the most difficult times for most businesses. Making over $360,000 a year without any prior experience in online business. Selling digital products in hot niches is the easiest way to get into online business and the fastest way to make money online. And the best part of this is that you make money on autopilot while you sleep. You don't have to make or create your own digital product. You can choose from thousands of high-ticket digital products. No office hours or commute ever. Unlimited revenue potential. Sky's the limit. Just smash your names on our done-for-you digital products in hot evergreen niches. Set up your online store once and continue profiting on autopilot forever. Digital products last forever and never are out of stock. Click the link below and get started right now.